Hello, today we are next to Volkswagen Passat B8. This is facelift model, but this shouldn't matter. And I'm going to show you where to find the sticker from the factory with your VIN, engine code, what's else over there, equipment codes, paint code. So we are going to remove the trunk floor. Note that this is Passat variant, Estate, Combi, wagon, call it as you want it, and the sticker is actually somewhere over here. And to remove this piece there are two plastic things. One is over here, one is over here, which you need to pull up, and we are going to use this tool. This tool is designed to remove the nut caps from your wheels, but it will do just fine for this job. So we are going to place it like this. I'm going to hook it up like this and pull it up, and maybe here. Second one is here, and up we go. And right now I'm going to lift it up from here, slide it forward, put it aside, and we have the sticker over here. We know that it's a Passat. I believe this means High Line Blue Motion Technology. We have the engine power output, TDI engine. This is the engine code, I believe, TFG variant A. This should be the gearbox code, and this should be the paint code, if I'm not mistaken. And here we have the other optional codes, the PR code, so we can know what are the individual options of this vehicle. Okay, so you should have a sticker just like that in the service manual, if you have your service manual or your user manual in your glove box, and it should be on the front or on the back. But if you don't have it, well, here's the place that you can look for those kind of information. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.